Thibitari nene ya Naivasha ni yamukirite macini iria ihuthikaga gucina giiko gia thibitari. Kuringana na ministry ya maturigiciirie, giiko kuuma thibitari-ini ni gicagagira gicunji kinene hari uthukagia wa maturigiciirie ari hamwe na ihumo cia maai na uguo gucungiriria kuongerereka kwa mirimu iria yumanaga na giiko.
This facility will help us in areas like Gilgil and Naivasha, because they are neighboring this facility, and then they will actually reduce the pressure we have in our Nakuru incinerator, which is actually much bigger than this and is actually serving the same purpose for the region around that area.
Akiaria mwena wa Naivasha, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini no Kipto niyuritie thirikari cia kaunti kugia na mubango wa uria giiko kia mathibitari kirira matagwo gutigirira maria maturigiciirie ni magitero.
The facility, we received funding to support the management of what is called unintended persistent organic pollutants.
Kipto augite thirikari ni yamukirite uteithio wa shiringi milioni 400 niguo gutangikira thina uyu kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, Mombasa, Githumo na Nairobi.
And this has been a program for 5 years, and we work with our partner UNDP as the implementing agency.
This is one of about 8 different programs and projects that we're leading with the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, and I think we're just proud to say that being able to bring it to the county level, bringing in private sector, is something that we definitely want to scale up as we move forward.
Ministry ya maturigiciirie ni rathugunda riandikithia ria watho wa kuramata giiko giki hamwe na kiria kiunganagio kuuma micii-ini.
Now once we have this bill in place, it is going to cause a paradigm shift. We are going to move away from the common approach in Kenya where we do dump sites. We take waste to dump sites. There will be no dump sites because it's going to be illegal for anyone not to sort waste at source. It will be compulsory for everyone to sort waste at source.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Kuringana wa Waduro.